Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to enable or disable allow alarm notification sounds in calls on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to phone application on your Samsung Galaxy A02. Here in phone, go to 3 dot on the right side on your screen. Okay, tap this. And the pop-up bar show, okay, go to settings. In settings, go to call alerts and ringtone. Okay, tap this. Here in call alert and ringtone, in call alerts section, you can see the allow alarm notification sounds in calls. And on the right side, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to enable this, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled. And to disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled or disable allow alarm notification sounds in calls on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.